and they're working on the ceiling today, getting that all stretched out, make it look nice. And they're also installed new RFID systems for the doors that are here. So that is really exciting. That'll unlock and lock for us up here at Wawasee Plaza, which is very exciting. We're going to reattach that with rivets. So this is a motion sensor. You can see it blinks red, and then there's a 600-pound weight right here on this. So keyed outside, and it's all running into a pack for the rest of them, like the rest of them, I should say.